Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be reviewing hopefully the first of many different soda flavors here that we got today. The first soda we'll be reviewing today is a chocolate soda with strawberry and real cocoa right there. If you want to check out the bottle I have here in my hand, pretty cool design. We heard about the soda shop here in town, so we decided to give it a try. The place, it's right here. It's called Blue Sun Soda Sweets and Shop. So whenever you have time, drop by. They have literally thousands of different flavor sodas. And I am not getting paid to say this. I'm just doing out of the kindness of my heart, and I think they have really cool different variety of sodas. So here's the first of many sodas that we'll be trying today. And with nothing ado, let's get started. Let's see if I can get this guy open. It's open. It smells kind of chocolatey. It smells like, if you ever had Tootsie Rolls, it smells like that. So here, let me give it a try. Let's give it a sip. Yeah, I was right. It tastes like Tootsie Roll, but in liquid form. So if you love Tootsie Rolls before, you'll definitely love this. It's chocolate soda with strawberry. So yeah, go and give it a try. Thanks everybody.